this side, chocolate, grams of chocolate. This is the milk chocolate. And I bought some sprinkles, like stars. Stars. This is, but that sprinkles and this green sprinkles. That's Christmassy for that. Just got some extra sprinkles to make it pretty. This for a little caramel popcorn. Also chips. Step 1, line your pan, dish or tray with baking paper. As you can see, I skipped this step, and it was only because I did not have baking paper at this very moment. But because I was using a glass oven dish, I thought I would be okay, and everything turned out okay, but not without a little bit of panic for me. I start off with a layer of biscuits. Now this is completely optional. If you only use the chocolate, your treat will still come out fine. So you want to use a white chocolate, and then you want to pair it with either dark chocolate or milk chocolate or both. I had really thick slabs and they were like 500 grams of chocolate, so I had a kilo of chocolate here, which is not necessary for this treat. You can use really any amount of chocolate as long as you have a white chocolate and then another color chocolate to make a beautiful contrast. I did not use all of my 2 slabs. I think I used about 700 to 750-ish chocolate combined, and you will see that my chocolate comes out quite thick. It's really not necessary for all that chocolate. You can use much less and your spread will just be thinner. I layered my chocolate and I alternated between the colors. I popped the chocolate into the oven. Now, to be quite honest, I had a lot of other things I was busy with because it was like 2 days before Christmas. But I would say preheat your oven, medium heat, or you can do a higher heat, and once you put the chocolate in, just turn your oven down and just leave it in there on a medium heat until it starts to melt. So just check on it. I'm using a toothpick. You can use whatever you think will work, and I'm just making a pattern, swirling it around from the one side to the other side, up and down. Do this until you feel satisfied with your pattern. I added some chocolate nips. It's really not necessary. I will say, if you plan to just have some chocolate chips on top as decoration, then wait for the chocolate to cool down slightly. Otherwise, the chocolate nips may just melt into the chocolate mixture. My sincere apologies, I lost the footage of me doing the decorations, but I still had my short clip and I'm going to insert that. Starting. Okay, wait. Did I just feel it move? I did. I so did. Ha! Look at this. Look at it all. Okay, I'm being weird. Sorry, but look at this. Now I can just like cut it up or break it. Do I want to break it or do I? Whoa! Yes! Oh my gosh, I like it! I like it! Ooh, I like that. Oh. As you can see, this chocolate is thick, so you really don't need that much chocolate, or use a bigger pan so you can spread more chocolate. But this was still so good. It was rich, but it was good. Please remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just have some fun. Watching this back, I kind of want to do Valentine's Day theme chocolate treat. I'm thinking white chocolate and then color it with some pink coloring and combine that with some white chocolate to make some interesting swirls. We'll see. I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Hopefully I will catch you in the next one. Alright, take care, bye.